What's going on, y'all? I just want to give y'all some payment proof. I got my first check from HighestPayGpt. You see, there's the website. Check. I got my personal information, like my name and address, blocked off. But I just want to show you the proof that I got. $2.06. It's not a lot, but I just want to, really show you proof because the minimum cash out on this site is $2. So I just went ahead and cashed out. For whatever reason, their first payment that he sent to you will be a check, but after that, you can go get PayPal and it's easier to cash out. But they send you a check just showing they're legit. I know another site that does that as well, so it seems to be something that a lot of people are doing. But nonetheless, I just want to show you proof. The link to this site will be in my description. I'm telling you, you can sign up under me. I will show you guys how to really make money, not only with this site, but with all these sites. Because a lot of people ask me questions as far as like, what should I do on this site? What should I do on that site? I'm willing to help everybody. I have a lot of tips and tricks. Just sign up under me. That's all I ask, and just really, follow my videos and really, my tutorials. When I'm showing you what I'm doing, do the exact same thing. But of course, if you have questions, don't hesitate to ask me because I try to answer everybody. I can reach out to you in different ways and really just help you put more money in your pocket. That's what it's all about. So HighestPayGpt, that's what I got paid from again. It's a legit check. I'm going to just put it into my bank account and, it'll be regular cash. And there's not a lot of cash, only $2, but at the same time, it's proof. And that's what I really want to show you guys that, these sites that I'm talking to you about, they are paying. So the link is in the description. Sign up today so you can start making more money, just so you can get a bonus and all that good stuff. And, really just change your financial future. All right. So sign up today and remember, every penny counts.